How to enable and disable NSFW content on Discord. The first thing you have to do is to access your Discord account. Doesn't matter if it is through mobile or laptop, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using my laptop. So go ahead to your Discord and then log in to your account. Now once you logged in, all you have to do is to find your user settings. So it's actually the gear icon. And then if you're using your mobile, you can just press or tap the three lines located at the top left corner of your phone. Just press on it and go to user settings. Now once you are on the user settings, all you just have to do is to go ahead to privacy and safety. So these are the settings on enabling or disabling NSFW content. So if you choose on the first one, it will filter all direct messages. All direct messages will be filtered for explicit images, and all direct message will be filtered for spam. If you choose on the second one, filter direct messages from non-friends. So direct messages from non-friends will be filtered for explicit image and filtered for spam. Now, if you choose on the third option, the red option, it will not filter anything and it will disable the filtering of messages for explicit contents. So that's how you enable and disable NSFW content on Discord.